Hello, I'm Max, and today I'm going to talk about and walk you through Discount Mixer and its essential features. So I have a fresh install of Discount Mixer app on one of our test stores, and right after installation, you will redirect it to home page, and at top of our home page, you will see our onboarding card, and the onboarding process designed in a way to let you configure the base setting for application. And it is really simple. It offers two steps. The first step is to enabling the discount view on your team editor, which allows you to use or product discount, volume tier table, countdown, and so many other cool features. So to enable it, you just have to click the enable discount view button here, and it will direct you to team editor, and in the app embed section, it will also filter out the discount mixer app embeds. Just make sure the discount view app embed is enabled, and all you need to do is to just hit the save button here. Then go back to your admin panel. There will be a prompt asking you about the status of discount view app embed. If you already enabled it in the previous page, just click the confirm button. But for now, I will ignore it. And that's all for the first step. And as I mentioned earlier, it will allows you to display or storefront features. And if you create any campaign, any like product or volume campaign, um, the discount view app embed will show the product discount or volume tier table on the eligible product pages, collection page, and home page, search bars, related products, and all areas within your store. In some rare cases and scenarios, this might not work for you, and this is mostly because your team settings, and in that cases, please just reach out to responsive support, and we will sort this out for you right away, and don't worry about anything at all. So the next step is to creating a discount campaign, and you can hit the create discount campaign from here or here. Either of them would work, and they will navigate you to a discount type page. And at the moment, we are offering three different types of discount. And the first one is the product discount, which is really similar to what Shopify natively supports for the product discount and amount of products. And the thing is, it is really flexible. It offers more features around the product discount and let you combine different things like a free shipping or managing which customers can see those product discounts. The next one is volume discount, which is super popular in Shopify ecosystem at the moment. And it is basically let you create different fares and create incentives for your customers to buy more quantities by giving them more discounts in the way they're getting more quantities and stuff like that. And it is also features like free shipping and customer targeted filters and so many other things, which will be covered in a few moments. And the last one is cart goal, which is designed around the cart value amount. It also offers a tiering system, but it basically let you create some cart value targets, and if your customers reach those targets, you can give them a certain amount of discount. And but as I've said, you can create different tiers, like creating two different tiers where customers can get 10% discount for £200 expenses, or getting 20% discount for £500 expenses, and so on and so forth. And that's all about all discount types and enabling or base configurations.